Alright people, welcome back in my channel. My channel is Aceh Asosio. Right, this night I don't plan time because a lot of people visiting here just watching this booms, bombs like Ukraine and Russia today. Every single year this village that we talk about garot here and then kampung aree is very tall, awesome. Then before after the 1 month we just focus for fasting month, but if we provide this like many years ago this very huge but like Russia owner, this very huge, this is drums. So one more time just hear this, listen this very tall, awesome. Alright, I can imagine that this very totally unbelievable than before, but incredible than before. You couldn't find in your life, you couldn't find your country, you couldn't find your city this like this. After we focus for fasting 1 month, but fasting, very tall, awesome. Alright, don't forget to like my music channel because I focus for culture, foods, Aceh culinary food, and then many things about Aceh here. Alright, don't forget to like my YouTube channel.